closer look at the box of cool stuff. All this stuff was about ready to go in the trash. Look at that guy. There's Hot Rod. Hulk Hogan. Some evil wolf man. No idea. That's J-Dog. Ooh, look at that guy. Very cool. Anybody recognize that man? I know who that is. Oh. Looks like an old-fashioned Nintendo. Oh, look at the Ninja Man. Come on, focus. Wolfman. Oh, there's the real Wolfman. You might have to hang on to that guy. And this guy. He's too cool. This one's for Chris. In the multi-worm chat, I got that one just for him. Look at that. Look at that. What's in here? Ooh, look at him. His eyes glow. Tiny Tim. What else do we got in here? Karate Master. That looks like, what's his name? I'll think of it. Steven Seagal? I think that was Steven Seagal. Oh, look at that. What else we got in here? Moo Cow Creamer. Oh, what do we got here? Is that Steven Seagal? Oh, Star Wars. My Little Ponies. No idea who some of these people are. That looks like... There's a Native American guy. What else is in here? Oh, that's all. Oh, $100 bills in there. Look at him. What on earth? What else is in there? Oh, there's the cowboy.